So back to example 1, I want to focus on a part here that when I factored x plus 1 and x plus 4, when I want to get the value of x, you remember it before, girls, that x used to be negative 1 and x is negative 4. So I will add here a sentence that it is the expression is undefined at x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to negative 4. I have to write this one after I finish my answer. The expression is undefined at x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to negative 4 because these values of x make the factors x plus 1 and x plus 4 equals to 0. So if this will make the factors equal to 0, so this expression will be undefined. So please, girls, after factoring and simplifying, you have to write this. The expression is undefined at x is equal to negative 1 and x is equal to negative 4. Okay? Okay. Let's take another one. Okay, girls, let's solve 1a. Okay, if I have exponents x to the power 11 and x to the power 2 and I want to divide them, as we said that if I want to divide, I subtract the exponents. So for the exponent, it will be x to the power 11 minus x to the power 2. It will be x to the power 11 minus 2, so it will be x to the power 9. What about 16 over 8? It will be 2. When I simplify it, it will be 2. So how I'm going to write it? It will be like this. 2 x to the power 9, where x is not equal to 0, because the expression will be undefined if x is equal to 0. Okay, girls? Okay, example 1b. The numerator is already factored, so I will factor the denominator. So I will write it down here. 3x plus 4 and x minus 1. So this factor will cancel this one and this one will be 1. So my answer will be 1 over x minus 1. This, I hope it will be 1 over x minus 1. Where x is not equal to 1. Is not equal to 1. Why it is not equal to 1? Because x minus 1 is equal to 0, so the value of x will be 1. So if I substitute it by 1, so the value, the expression will be undefined. Okay, girls, let's go to the next page. Example 2, simplifying by factoring -1. By factoring -1. Simplify 2x minus x squared over x squared minus x minus 2. Identify any x values for which the expression is undefined. What is the first step that I'm going to do? Factor out -1 in the numerator so that x squared is positive and reorder the terms. So I'm going to factor out -1. -1. So it is in the original, it is 2x minus x squared. So I'm going to take out -1 as a common factor. And I'm going to reorder the numerator, the terms. I'm going to reorder the terms and to write the numerator again. So if I'm going to take out -1, so it will be -1 multiplied by x squared minus 2x over x squared minus x minus 2. Then I'm going to take out x as a common factor from x squared minus 2x. So I will take x from here and x from here. So x squared is x and x. Let me write it here. X squared is x and x. So I will take x here as a common factor, and I will take x from the 2x as a common factor. So left for me x here and left for me -2 here. Then I'm going to factor x squared minus x minus 2. So -2, which two factors? When I multiply them, they will give me -2, and when I add them, they will give me the middle factor, which is -1 here. So the two factors are -2 and +1. So here I get negative x minus 2 and x minus 2 as a common term here. I will cancel x minus 2 in the numerator and I will cancel x minus 2 in the denominator. So left for me up here -1 x and down x plus 1 in the denominator. What is the value of x here? When x plus 1, so the value of x will be -1. So the expression is undefined when x is equal to -1. And don't forget that I had a term that was cancelled here, that it was x minus 2. So x minus 2, so the value of x was 2. So the expression is undefined as x equals to 2 and x is equal to -1. Don't write the expression is undefined when x is -1. No, there was a term that was cancelled. You have to write the value of it here when it was cancelled and the value of this one also. So the two values, the value of the cancelled one and the value of the one that is still here. Let's watch a video here.